Hello warrior, welcome to another episode of Pimp My Shoes. Today we are going to pimp these old leather boots and make them really shine with a lot of glitter. I have tried this before, as you can see, and it didn't quite work out as I expected. It's pretty ugly, so I'm going to try and fix this so that it is pretty. I'm going on tour with Anastacia, opening the show for her, and the idea is that I'm going to wear these boots on stage, so I really want them to shine and look awesome. As usual, I will be doing this live. I haven't done it before, well, apart from this failure here, and yeah, so we will be discovering together if it works. Hopefully it does. Alright, so you have to keep your boots dust and oil free. Don't go and clean them with shoe polish before you start this. I've put some paper inside them so they can stay taut. So I have glitter. I have some creative glue. This one is from UHU Creative. I will put anything I use in the show notes below, and a couple of brushes to put the glue on the shoes. Again, I have no idea what's gonna happen because I'm kind of making this up as I go. I have also protected my table with this very ugly plastic tablecloth. And I have a paper underneath the boots so that I can recuperate any glitter that falls off and use it again later. Alright, well, there's only one more thing to do, and that's just to start. Here we go! I will be using 3 different colors of glitter on these boots because I want to end with a gradient from black to silver. I'm starting from the bottom with the black glitter and doing small areas at a time. Depending on the glue you're using, you could do larger areas, but when I was adding the glue that I had, I noticed that it became tacky very quickly, and I stuck to that way of working. As you go up the boots and there's less detail, you get more comfortable and things start going faster. I am happy to report that the new glitter I stuck on the ugly lightning bolt covered it up very well. Halfway up, I started making the gradient with the first gray color and did a whole band around the boots where I mixed both black and the gray. Once I was happy with the gradient, I switched to the gray completely. For the silver, I worked pretty much the same way. Dab, dab, dab! Make your boots look fab! I think the whole stage is gonna be filled with glitter when I come off stage, and I don't think they're gonna like it. I'm gonna make myself some enemies. I didn't even think of that. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to seal these, but the problem is, if I seal them, then I'm not sure if the glitter will glisten as much in the light. So I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll have to test it, and you know what? If they're not good, then I have done this whole video for nothing. But we will find out at the end. Together. Alright, so it's day 2. I only need to do the silver piece and then we're done. Okay, I think this worked out really well. I want to seal them with sealant for like pencil drawings, for example. I won't be able to film it, so you will be seeing the fashion montage after this. I want to thank you for joining, and if you found this video entertaining or useful, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also check out my other Pimp My Shoes videos. Thanks for watching, and see you soon! now it's cleanup time. Yay, my favorite part.